I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Dash Reels and confirming permissions so recording works smoothly. Once done, sign in or create an account. This ensures your drafts sync. Tap the plus button to create a new reel and set the aspect ratio. Pick 9:16 for vertical or 16:9 for widescreen. Make sure you allow camera roll access if you want to import clips. Now position the phone, frame your first shot, and press record to capture your opening clip. You'll now assemble your clips on the timeline and refine their timing. Drag clip edges to trim, split where needed, and delete mistakes. This gives you tight pacing. Once clips are arranged, add a music track and adjust volume so dialogue remains clear. Use clip-specific effects sparingly to maintain focus. Apply transitions and color correction to create visual consistency. Use beat markers to align cuts with the soundtrack. This makes the reel feel you're at the finish line. Preview the reel to confirm pacing, audio levels, and captions. When satisfied, choose Export Settings, select resolution and compression based on target platform, and generate the final file. Add a descriptive caption, tags, and a cover image optimized for the feed so viewers know what to expect. If upload or export fails, check your network connection, free device storage, and the app's updates. Clearing cache or restarting the app often resolves persistent issues. Then publish and monitor engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.